Morning, heading out. Fish just jumping up everywhere. It's pretty exciting to look at. So we thought we'd drop in and have a quick troll because we hooked up pretty much straight away. Things that you get. Well, plenty on the sound and plenty of action anyway. I'll get the other one in. Can't see anything yet. Oh, it's big. Oh, bloody hell.
Shark going my lure.
Crazy. Dude, what are you doing?
You idiot.
Nice.
Settle down, you idiot. Come bite me.
Oh, me. You idiot. It's been a while since we've been out. Lee's been out a couple of times. Went out with Timmy Turtle, and actually the few times we've been out we haven't had much luck, really, have we?
Pretty average.
Pretty average, yeah. But Timmy Turtle caught a Spanish mac, so there was some dinner there. And he went out with Drew from Drew M Fishing. Lucky Drew was on board because he brought home dinner. We got a coral trout. Here we go.
Go on. Oh yeah, get it, yeah.
Or have I just been sharked?
Get it up quick.
I can't move.
It's not a shark yet.
Oh.
Might have been a shark then. This is going to be the thing here. Sharks. Sharks. Go.
Alright, new spot.
No point in saying if there's a shark, there's nearly is there.
No.
Just drop your block of squid in there.
The whole squid.
Yeah.
Do you want the mullet in there? Hey? Oh. Ooh. You'll be excited if you catch a good fish on the jig.
It will be.
Oh no.
It's got very big all of a sudden on me.
Bloody hell. First drop. Crap. And that means that's a goodbye to your jig probably. Yeah, that is a big shark.
Big shark.
Then 31 meters.
Fucking sharks.
So far today, 2 from 2 is sharks.
Top speed, straight to the fish. Oh, I can see him under the boat.
Got a feeling the baits are probably chasing really small baits.
And your bait's too big.
Yeah.
Having a fat old time.
Oh, I got a chase then. I got a couple of follows. Oh,
Little mackies.
little baby mackies.
They shortage of these fish, are they?
Nah, they're everywhere.
They're tied.
Some big stuff down underneath them though.
Ooh, sharks probably, maybe.
Yeah, it's a shark. Oh, is that a mackie?
No. Oh,
No, is it? Yeah, sharks. Definitely sharks.
you don't want to lose
Oh, there's
it.
the bait. See how small it is?
Oh, yeah, tiny. We saw that earlier.
It's pretty cool. Red.
Ooh. Let's see if it's true. Alright, Lee's gonna have a jig. So he has to what do you call it? Re-rig your line. Oh, here we go. Ah, yes! Got it! I hook them, Lee reels them in. Alright, let's get them in before we lose it. Oh, it's colour.
Right colour?
Yeah, it's a big nanny.
No, it's not. It's a dirty old mother-in-law.
Ah, looks red to me. Oh.
Dirty old Moolong.
See ya. Oh, Jesus. Don't break me rod. Looks huge. Suppose we know they're down there. Whoa! If it doesn't, you might have to eat him.
There you go. A little touch over there.
Yeah. It's playing with it. Here we go.
Still on?
Yes!
Swap ya.
It's probably a mother-in-law or something again. Okay, it's a
Trevally.
Oh, he's got my line around him as well. Oh. Oh.
Jesus Christ.
Colour. Oh, it's red, Lee. Big red. Big red. Big red. Get it in. You got a big red.
You got it for me.
Yes. Yes. Oh my God. So big. That's what all the girls say. Holy shit.
That's what we're after.
Hallelujah.
Drew, sorry mate, it was on bait. Sorry Drew.
That looks like it feels good. And we got cod
Nice.
again. Look at the eyes on that one.
Oh my mate, they're traumatized.
I don't think that one's gonna survive, eh? Holy shit. You on as well?
No,
Oh, you have to come get this, Lee. I think I've been sharked to it, it's just really big.
probably this big. You go get my rod then. Yeah.
Take yours out or leave it in?
Leave it in.
Oh,
I think you actually did get sharked.
very. Doesn't feel that big.
Oh, that's not too bad.
You got fish. I think it's red, but I'm scared. No. Another
There's a
cod.
gold spot. It's this little husser.
So, did you catch that hustle or did he
Yeah.
spit it out?
I'm guessing I caught the husser.
And then he caught the.
Yeah.
That'd be a good live bait for you.
He's venting. That's good. Right, mate.
Okay. See you later, mate. I'm gonna have to start eating cod, I think.
What are you doing, you dick? You gonna swim or what?
Oh, you found it.
Come on, mate, where you go? There you go. He's gone. See if Timmy's theory is correct about the husser.
It's like a mixed bag of lollies down here.
Yeah, it is, eh? All sorts. Oh, glad old mate swam off, that was good.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, yes.
Oh yeah, it's a good one. Oh, Jesus.
That looks like it feels good. I'll bring my rod in. And we got
Another one of those. Silly bugger. What do you reckon? Sound good or what?
a quick intermission shout out here, but something that we highly value and we wanted to share with you is a big shout out to George and Darren from NQ Monoholes. You might have saw a video earlier in the year where they redesigned some of the boat and helped us out with the fuel tank problem that we had. Anyway, since then we've had a couple little things that we needed tweaking, and not only do they come up with some really good ideas, but they come up with the goods to really help out with tweaking those ideas. The seat pedestal was too far forward. The seat pedestal used to come all the way up here, and it was too far forward to get in and out and around with having the console towards the back of the boat. So George come up with the idea of making this into like a Z bracket instead, and now we can easily walk through here without being impeded by the seat. Big value that way. What was the other thing that we got done?
So there's a bracket in where the engine bolts on, which George made up for me. Where it was bolted on before, it looked like it was starting to pull through the aluminium on the transom. So George made up with 10mm thick plate, and that has fixed that problem. And you can see that, point that at the back there, you can see that plate there.
There's a less chance the bolts are going to pull through the aluminium and you lose a big engine off the back. Yeah. Bet you it's a shark.
Oh, it's going to the bottom, whatever it is.
Oh, was.
Get off the bottom.
I wonder what the hell it was. So that was your floating pilly. Yeah. Kite or mother-in-law or Trevally, let's just go home. If it's a largemouth nanny, let's rejoice and go home.
Hello there. Whoops,
shark?
Shark, was it?
I don't know.
Saw the boat, decided.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's shark, is it? Oh, far out.
Can't get my sinker.
Oh, hello. You're a pretty little shark.
You're an idiot. Sure.
And shark.
Oops. You're still idiot.
Hey, it's a shark of you.
An annoying one.
There we go. Bye. Shall we call it then?
Yeah, I know.
Alrighty, we are wussing it. It's pretty hot. It's a North Queensland summer. And we probably should stay out here for at least another 3 hours, but looks like we're going to learn to love eating cod for dinner. So I'll check out the fish app and see how it rates as a table fish. I might even give you a review on it. What do you reckon? Yeah, we'll taste the cod and I'll let you know what we think. Maybe it's worth keeping. But we don't normally keep the cod because we're normally trying to catch other fish that are better. And also, when you go swimming at islands, for example, when we go swimming at Magnetic Island, in a lot of the bays there, you'll find there'll be a resident cod of some sort, usually a gold spot, that's been used to people. Like, people have fed them scraps and bits of bait, and they're quite friendly and they hang around and they're fun to swim with. So it kind of feels a bit mean when you catch a cod and then can't release it. Yeah, I don't know, there might be people out there that absolutely love cod and are happy to keep them. Are you one of those people? Tell us, is it a great fish? Is it something that's like you're pretty excited about catching? Let us know. Bit of a scrub down before you get home, mate.
Yeah, a quick one. Pretty messy in here.
Bait fisherman for you, hey? Messy buggers.
Bloody bait fishing.
Dirty bait fisherman.
You'll all be very disgusted in me.
Just looked up gold spotted rock cod, and apparently it's a versatile fish that you can put in and use for just about any recipe. So and apparently it's got really nice white chunky flesh, and it's often underrated by fishermen. So, you know, might be turning a new page here. I think worst case scenario, we'll use it for some sort of yummy fish curry. Best case, we'll maybe grill it or batter it. Do you want to try batter?
Yeah, crumb or batter.
Crumb or something? See how it goes. We'll report back. So you're making your whiz bang. Well, we should say Clint's whiz bang.
No, this is mine. Let's do this one.
Oh, this one? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You adapted it from Clint, maybe.
Exactly.
And we're going to be testing. On the left is nanny, largemouth nanny, and on the right is gold spotted cod. So we're going to do a bit of a
Taste test.
taste test, yeah. Cook them the same way we cook all our other fish, basically.
Yeah.
Do you know which is which?
I do.
Do you want me to taste first then?
Yep.
Like this side's one and this side's one?
I'm not telling you.
Okay. I'll taste all four then, boy.
Yep.
Oh, it's burning. This is yummy. Oh. Hot. This comes straight out of the frying pan, so. I'm guessing this is a cod, it seems a bit softer to pull apart. I'd sit in a restaurant and if this was just offered as crumbed fish, I would be enjoying it, I think. You do a really nice crumb though.
Which one you like best?
So these two different ones,
Mm-hmm.
I like this one better. Is that the nanny? And this is the cod.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't have a strong flavour or anything. And like, you know, its flesh looks quite good. It looks quite good. I was trying to get Landis to tell me why he was upset about the cod dying, but happy to kill the largemouth nanny guy. Could you explain it? It was a bit weird.
It's cod. You can't kill cod. Be good for them.
But you said when you were a kid, your dad happily kept cod.
No, we kept one too. We did.
Oh,
We weren't targeting them, no.
no. But if one came up, a good one, he'd keep it.
I think they kept. I remember a big one they kept once over at West Point. It was massive.
Oh, like a really big one.
Big one. Tastes like old boots.
Really?
Really tough.
This one is not tough. Looks fairly big, not. Did you measure the two that we kept? About 80, you reckon?
Yeah, about that.
So on the app, it says the max be allowed to keep is 1.2 meters. So, gosh, that is a big cod. I don't know if I'd want. We're in 36 meters of water, and they just did not do well to be, because we were reeling them in pretty quick because we didn't want the sharks to get them. So it was sort of like, if we're slow about, we didn't even know what was on the end of the line until they got up to the top anyway. Alright, so in future, say it's a healthy cod and you could release it, will you release it?
Yep.
Even if we've got no other fish on board?
Yeah.
Okay. So the only time I'm going to keep cod is when they are too far gone.
Yep.
Alright.
Can't recover them.
Alrighty. If there's something that you like about eating cod, like you actually enjoy it, if you catch one and you keep it. Let us know how you eat it in your comments below and what you enjoy about it. And if you don't usually keep cod and they're healthy and you throw them back, like, you know, let us know if you're one of those people as well. Thanks heaps for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Yeah.